Welcome to my channel guys, and today we are going to see how to integrate your bash terminal in VS Code. So first go to the VS Code, select the setting option here, and by default it's look as like UI. So what you need to do is just click on this option, that is your JSON data setting. Okay, so after that what you need to do is, this is by default set as cmd.exe, so you just need to replace this line with this one. But make sure git bash that is installed in your system, only then it will going to set as the default bash in your VS Code. Just save it, close this tab, delete this, and again open it. Now you can see the git bash already set. So we can check like git help. So all the git help command is showing. So this is how you can set your git bash in your VS Code. So thank you for listening. Have a great day, and please do subscribe to my channel if you found this video is helpful.